Hello and welcome to PB Edu channel. Here we solve all your queries related to your school assignments and problems. So here today we have a question of class 12 of chapter 6 solution chemistry. Here 124 gram of ethylene glycol was added to 935 gram of water. So initially we had 935 gram of water. Mass of water is 935 gram. The solution was cooled in which 124 gram of ethylene glycol was added. Now, if ethylene glycol is added to water, so what happens? A solution will be formed. Here it is a solvent and a solute is added, so solution would be formed. The solution was cooled to minus 4 degrees Celsius. So minus 4 degrees Celsius, how many gram of ice would be separated? So here we know that a solution would be formed. But it is also given that some of the water has turned into ice. So some of the water is being used to form the solution. Means there is mass of water that is used as solvent and some has been converted into ice. So we have to tell what is mass of ice. What is the mass of ice formed? And Kf of water is also given. So we know that del Tf is equal to I Kfm. This is the formula in which I is Ventov factor, which is 1 for non-electrolytes such as ethylene glycol. So its Ventov factor is 1. Kf is given, that is 1.86, we can say Kelvin or degree Celsius, kilogram per mole multiplied by molality. Now, molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. This is the formula for molality, and we know that number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So here we will put the formula for number of moles, that is mass of solute, that is ethylene glycol, divided by molar mass of solute and divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. So we have a mass of solute, that is 125 gram, molar mass of solute, that is 62 gram. So molality is equal to 62 divided by 124 gram is given as mass. So 124 gram divided by 62 gram per mole. And this would stay like this, mass of solvent in kilogram. So this is the molality. Now we can cancel it out also. 62 ones are 62 twos are. So this is molality is equal to 2 divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. And this gram and gram cancelled out and this mole would go above. So now we have molality also. Here we had to write molality and TF. Del TF is equal to TF naught minus TF. TF naught is the freezing point of water, that is 0 degrees Celsius, and TF is minus 4 degrees Celsius, freezing point of the solution form, is equal to 1 into 1.86 is same, 1.86 degrees Celsius kilogram per mole, and we would write the formula for molality or the expression for molality from here. This is 2 mole divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Now this would become 0 minus minus 4 would be 4 degrees Celsius in positive is equal to 1.86 degrees Celsius kilogram per mole into 2 mole, and here it is in division, so it would go up and 4 degrees Celsius would come in denominator. So 4 degree would come in denominator and mass of solvent in kilogram would go on the left hand side. Now here degree Celsius, unit degree Celsius would be cancelled out with degree Celsius and per mole would be cancelled out with mole, and 2 would divide with 4. So it comes 2 and 2 ones are and 0.93 kilogram. So the mass of solvent used in making the solution is 0.93 kilogram. So mass of solvent in kilogram is this. Now it can be converted into gram. Here we are given the mass of water initially is 935 grams. So we would convert it into gram. 0.93 multiplied by, we have to use dimensional analysis. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and we need gram in the numerator. So we would multiply here 1000 gram divided by 1 kilogram. So now it would be, point would go like this, decimal, and two zeros cancel out two zeros, and answer would be 930 gram. Now we know that mass of solvent is 930 gram. Initially there was mass of water, only water was there. After that, solution was found in which some of the water was used, and some of the mass of water was converted into ice, and mass of water initially given is 935 gram. It is 935 gram. So we would put it here 935 gram, and mass of solvent is 930 gram, that we have calculated. 930 gram plus mass of ice. So we had to calculate how much water is separated as ice. So it is 935 gram minus 930 gram, and it would be 5 gram. So now we know the answer, that the mass of ice separated is 5 gram. So here the answer would be, answer is 5 gram. So if you like the solution and you want to solve any of your queries, you want solution for any of your queries in your school problems, then please ask them in comment section below. And if you like this video and solution, then subscribe to our channel for more such solutions.